In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your tasks assigned or not in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review every task in one place, whether it already has an owner or is still unassigned. First, head to ClickUp using your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the workspace where your projects live. It doesn't matter which space or folder you start from, this process works anywhere because we're going to use a view that lays out tasks in a clear, scannable list. Give the page a moment to load so all your tasks populate properly. Next, switch to the list view. This is the view that displays your tasks in rows with columns like status, due date, and assignee. If you're currently in a different layout, such as board or calendar, look along the top of your screen for the option labeled List and select it. List view makes it easier to quickly check who owns what and spot anything that hasn't been assigned yet. Now find the Assign control at the top of the task list. This is the filter that controls which assignees you're seeing. Click on Assigned to open its options. Here, choose the setting that includes all assignees as well as unassigned tasks. Depending on your setup, this may be labeled something like All, or it may show a selection that includes everyone plus unassigned. The idea is to make sure you're not limiting the view to just your tasks or to a single teammate. Once that's applied, your list will refresh, and you'll see every task in the current location, both assigned and not. Assigned tasks will display one or more avatars or names in the assignee column, and unassigned tasks will be clearly marked as unassigned. This unified view is perfect for spotting gaps, balancing workloads, and making quick decisions about who should take ownership next. If your list looks crowded, you can adjust columns to focus on the details that matter most, like due dates and priorities, so you can triage unassigned items efficiently. And if you don't immediately see the assigned control, double-check that you're still in list view and that the filters bar is visible at the top of the screen. That's it. You've headed to ClickUp, switched to list view, clicked on Assigned, and now you can confidently review all tasks, assigned or not, in one clean, comprehensive view. Use this anytime you need a quick audit of ownership across your work. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!